Thank you, House Chair. House Chair, I'll deal with both reports dealing with magistrates and the next one, the judiciary, the judges. So Section 165 states that courts are independent and subject only to the Constitution and the law, which they must apply impartially without fear, favor, and prejudice. And so it is the courts and to the courts that citizens and organizations turn to resolve disputes
Honorable Swart, my apologies for that interference. May I ask the ICT to disconnect and mute that microphone, please? Please continue.
Thank you. It is to the courts that citizens and organizations turn to resolve disputes where complaints are laid, where criminal cases are heard, and also to resolve abuses of government powers, etc. So it is crucial then that judges and magistrates are remunerated accordingly, given that many judges, many magistrates give up very well-paying, well-remunerated legal practices, either as advocates and attorneys to serve on the bench. Now, the Chief Justice made a submission to the Independent Commission through the Heads of Court Commission on Judges' Remuneration. The committee reportedly requested the Commission to consider the inflationary erosion of judges' salaries. The same applies to the magistrates, who are also suffering from inflationary erosion of their salaries over the years. This matter has been raised over a number of years, and an overview was presented to the Commission. Now, the response of the Commission was to indicate that this issue will be addressed by a major review, which is apparently a work in progress. It is unclear how long this review has been in progress for, when it will be finally concluded. In the meanwhile, the Commission recommended a 3.8% increase in both magistrates and judges' remuneration. The Minister of Finance indicated the fiscus could only afford 1.5% due to prevailing economic conditions. The Minister of Justice supported the 3.8%, and the President, Ramaphosa, then mindful of the country's serious economic challenges, chose to implement a 3% increase. So while the increase does not take into account serious inflationary erosion of judges and magistrates' salaries, and the cost of living, as we all know, increases, and the judges indicated that they have a shortfall now of minus 20.6%, it is an interim measure pending the finalization of the major review, which we trust will be finalized soon. In light of that, the ACDP will support the report. I thank you.
Thank you, Honourable Member.